Welcome to Creators Are Brands, the show where we explore how storytellers are building brands online. I'm talking the tactics, the monetization strategies, storytelling tips, the mental frameworks. I'm fascinated by these things that are allowing these individuals to build these communities off of their individuality. It's such a cool subject to me. And so this show, it's built so I'm not the expert. I'm an explorer. I'm a detective. I'm a reporter having these conversations, doing these breakdowns, doing these solo episodes that are going deep into subjects that I believe will help creators build their own brands online, whether you want to be a part-time creator or a full-time creator. Let's look at my background. I'm not even a full-time creator. I'm a part-time creator. I have a full-time job in the day, and I had a really interesting way of getting that job. It was because I was a creator before, and I worked in the music industry. Then I started making silly songs myself, built a clothing line. Eventually, one of those parody music videos I made got the attention of a couple big brands. They started asking me to do work for them. Then I got this day job. So now I got this day job with a big brand, and I'm also got this fascination with creators, storytellers, the people that are able to capture attention, to entertain, inspire, educate, and build these communities. I love this world, and I love working with brands. And it hit me. I was like, man, creators are brands. Creators are stories. They're a reputation. They're an emotion, a feeling that people are connected to. It's why so many brands want to work with creators. The creator economy is booming. The creator economy is exciting. The creator economy has always sort of been here, right? But the platforms and tools right now, they're making it way more accessible for the storytellers, for the idea havers. Let's talk about a definition for the creator economy so we can go a little deeper. Signalfire writes, it's defined as the class of businesses built by over 50 million independent content creators, curators, and community builders, including social media influencers, bloggers, videographers, plus the software and the finance tools designed to help them with growth and monetization. The creator economy is powered by storytellers, YouTubers, podcasters, writers, TikTokers, IG creators, speakers, gamers. So I have this background, right? So as a writer, as a director, I create content for brands, and that is very much the gig economy. That is me working for brands, which is amazing. The creator, you become a creator when you start building your own assets and creating your own community, or you work for a creator who's doing that and you partner with them behind the scenes, in front of the scenes, whatever. So it's going from, let's take a filmmaker, Peter McKinnon. He's a filmmaker. He became a creator when he started building his YouTube channel. That's the difference between the creator economy and the gig economy. And it's exciting to me because I think that they can both work together. Some people like to go full-time in one or the other and go all in. Myself, I enjoy being a part-time creator. It's a hat that I like to wear because it's an outlet for my creative ideas. It's an outlet to build connection and community with a person like you. And I think that if you want to be full-time, this show is for you. If you want to be part-time and just experiment, this show is for you. And the exciting part is if you look at the word creator economy has came about because, it's a buzzword, but it's been around, it's around now, and it's gonna be around, right? And the reason the word is so hot right now is because these investors, these tech companies are seeing the opportunity. They see, this is where all the consumer attention is, and this is who they trust now. So let's build the things that connect these two and help the creators build their businesses. So all this money is going into the quote-unquote creator economy. It's a fun time to be people that are on the move and taking the risks to put your ideas in action. And that's what this show is about. I'm talking to the people that are successfully doing it so we can learn from them and apply them to our own brands. And I think that the Lee Jin definition of creator economy is something I really enjoy. The economy in which people are building influence and audience online primarily through social platforms. And then her definition of the passion economy is anyone who is monetizing their individuality. And the beauty is it's an open canvas because of the tools that we have at our fingertips. 50 years ago, if you wanted to create a YouTube channel based around how you fix bikes, you couldn't do it. But I guarantee you there's someone making a living off of his YouTube channel where he's just fixing bikes. And so that's where he goes from the gig economy to the creator economy. And where people get jammed up is, bikes is just an example. So let's take a photographer, right? Where people get jammed up is they have all these insights. They have all this entertainment. They have all these ideas in them. But there's this resistance to put their ideas into the world. And it's not that the tools and the access isn't there. It's the fact that they get caught up in their head. So that's why a lot of the premise for the show is talking about the soft skills, building self-confidence, building communication skills, the art of storytelling, philosophies for monetization, and how you can look at your brand from that aspect and different ways to do it. And I don't know, I'm really excited about this show. I'm excited to go on this exploratory journey with you. Okay, we're doing deep dives. We're going into these topics so we can gain actionable tips and insights that we can apply to our immediate brand as a creator. But it's going to be casual. I'm wearing slippers right now. Oh, and also it's going to be transparent. And let's start it off on a great note. Actually, an embarrassing note. This is the second time I've recorded this intro. If you want to hear the first time I recorded it, it's in the audio version only intro. And the reason it's on the audio version intro is a separate different episode is because I filmed this episode and then I sent it to the editor and he said, "Hey Tom, it's all choppy." And I looked and I was like, "Oh man, I filmed it with the wrong shutter speed." So it was all choppy, it was all over the place. And that I think it's important for me to share that with you. I'm doing this again because I couldn't put out the choppy version as an intro. So I was like, all right, I'll do it again. I'll do it more casual and off the cuff than the first one. And I'll just talk directly to the camera. So this is the video version only. The reason I wanted to share it with you is because this is part of the process. This is built in. You have to account for this stuff. All right, so we had this vision. Oh, I'm gonna make the first episode. It's gonna be pristine and perfect. False. It's gonna be messy, and the goal is right. We're putting our identity into the process, into not the outcome. It's I'm building my self-confidence off of, did I do it? Did I complete this? Did I ship it? Did I move? Did I look at this as one episode that I'm trying to go viral, or am I building a brand? Am I building a catalog of these stories? And that's the mission. So I'm going to do what it takes to get it right, but I'm also not going to overthink it. And that's what I hope for you, and I hope that's what you get out of this show. You see me building this brand, Creators Are Brands. You learn from the guests, and you turn those insights into actions. So welcome to the Creators Are Brands show. I am thrilled that you're here. I'm thrilled that you're a person that is curious about putting your ideas into the world, building a community, and making an impact. And just so it's clear, the type of creator I'm talking to, there's two different types. There's the attention-driven and the impact-driven. The attention-driven does anything for views, anything just to get those metrics up, anything for watch time. And you see a lot of people building their brands off of that, and it's not sustainable. It leads to burnout. It leads to lack of fulfillment. It leads to toxic relationships. What I'm talking to is impact-driven creators, people who have insights they want to share, who want to entertain and educate and understand how to get attention and build a community, because that's part of the process. You understand the tactics, but you have a mission. You're purpose-driven. You want to provide a positive impact for your listeners, for your audience, and on the world. And those people, sometimes it's a lonely path. Not that many people in your circle know, oh, you're trying to build a YouTube channel? Is that just a hobby? Is that just no. It's a brand. It's a business. It's a movement. That's what I want you to understand, okay? This thing is real. All right, your little ideas, they matter. They're important. And this Creators Are Brand show is your support system. It is your creative accomplice in your mission to build your brand as a creator. That is why I'm making this show. And I'm so stoked for you to follow it. Again, listen to the long form episode. Link will be in the description. It'll be audio only. And let's get this thing started. Put the camera on your face. Stop playing. Start playing. Have an inspired day. All right. Bye. Did I say my name that whole time? My name's Tom Boyd. That's funny. I don't think I said my name. All right, whatever.